not a right angle triangle. And so that rules out Pythagoras' theorem and SOHCAHTOA. Everybody agreed? Okay. Only other thing we have in our arsenal is the sine rule currently. It's A over sine A equals B over sine B. And we're going to have an issue. I'll show you what the issue is, all right? So would everybody agree with x over sine 30A? Okay. And would everybody then agree with 14 over sine? Oh no. 14 over sine, I don't know what it is though. You only ever meant to be missing one of them. I'm currently missing the x, haven't I? I'm only allowed to miss one. And no matter what way I set it up, I'm going to be missing two. Does everybody see that? I don't know what's opposite the 11, and I don't know what's opposite the 14. This means, unfortunately for us, the sine rule is not applicable. Okay? When you're missing two items instead of one, it means that you can't do it using the sine rule. Now, lucky for us, there's a new rule, and the new rule is called the cosine rule. The cosine rule works something like this. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 bc cos A. Now, here's how you do it, right? First of all, is this a length or an angle question? We all agree with a length question? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, we pick an angle. Which angle is a capital letter? So which is the angle we're going to use? A is 38. If big A is 38, what does that make small a? Small a must be x. It's the side that looks at angle A. Everybody agreed? So now we have x squared equals. Now, the good news for us is that B and C are interchangeable. It doesn't matter which one's which. Tom could come along and say B is 11 and C is 14. I could come along and say B is 14 and C is 11. It doesn't matter. Everybody cool with that? Fill in your equation. So you go for 14, what's it say? 14 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 14 times 11 cos 38. You're going to enter all of that into your calculator in one go. Everybody cool? So you're going to go for 14 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 14 times 11 cos 38. And the answer is 74.29. Now, if you're asking me, 74.29 seems a bit on the large side, considering the other two lengths are 11 and 14. So we obviously forgot to square root it, didn't we? So square root it. Square root your answer. 8.62. Okay. Will you guys try part